Hello, my dear students. We arrived to the end. Today, not any day. Today, the end of the term. Are you ready for this revision? I think, yeah. You must be careful to get a full mark. Let's see what we must get today. Now, let's see question 1. Complete each of the following. The incident light ray parallel to the principal axis of the convex lens penetrates the lens passing by. Catch it, my dear. The answer will be good. Focus. It's wonderful to say that. Fly to the other one. Amoeba reproduce by space, while bread mold reproduce by space. Do you know the answer? Sure, we are ready for the exam. The catch it will be good. The first binary fission, but the other by spores. Wonderful. Fly to the other one. The question say, the convex lens, space light, while the convex mirror, space light. Do you think what is the answer now? Catch it, my dear. For the first one, we can say converge, but the other one, diverge. Don't forget to make a comparison between them, convex lens and convex mirror. It's great. Another one. The straight line passes through pole of the mirror and its center of curvature is called, yes, principal axis. Another one. The galaxy that the sun and surrounding planets revolving around is good. The galaxy that the sun and surrounding planets revolving around is good. Is called what? Catch it, my dear. We can say Milky Way. Milky Way is our galaxy. We like it. Another one. We say for this, in the flowering plants, the anther produces space and the ovary produces space. Catch the answer. We can say anther produce pollen grains because it's a male, but the other one, ovary, produce an ovum because it's a female of the plant. Wonderful to say that. Another question. Look, give reason. My dear, catch the question well and make a complete answer. A convex mirror is placed on the left side of the car driver. Do you think why? It's easy to say. Because the image is formed small, upright, and virtual. So it helps driver to see the road behind. It's wonderful to say the properties of the convex mirror. Wonderful question. Another one. We can say for this, velocity is the vector quantity. Do you think for what reasons? The easy to say, because it has magnitude and direction. Magnitude here, it means it has a number. Direction, I must know it to be vector, is the opposite of the scalar quantity. The other question. The stability of the Earth in an orbit around the Sun. Why the Earth is a constant? To know that, you must know I have two factors, because attraction force equal centrifugal force. It's wonderful to say that. Another one. Yes, fly with me for this nice question. It's talk about no image is formed when the object put in the focus of the convex lens. Yes, we know convex lens and the object in focus. Where is the image? There is no image. Why? Because refracted rays are parallel. Wonderful to catch this. Another one. Yes, fly with me for this question. The perpendicular incident light ray reflected on itself. We know it well. Yes, my dear. Because incident angle equal reflected angle. This is not only equal 0, so it reflected on itself. Another question, fly with this. He said that the difference in the year from the planet to another. To know this difference, you must be sure what about the speed and what is the way of this planet. Catch the answer? Because for the first one, yes, distance between planet and the sun, this is the important factor. The second factor about the speed of rotation of the planet around the sun. Wonderful to catch this answer. My dear, complete answer to get a full mark. Another question? Yes, write scientific term. In this question, I need one word only. I think you know it well. The first sentence say, the distance covered in a certain direction between the street point and the ending point. The starting point and the ending point, what this mean, do you think? Yes, displacement. It's great. Another question? Yes, he say that it's a wide and extended space that contains a galaxy. Yes, I know, you know it well. It's our far space. I know it. It's easy to catch far space. Fly to the other question. The question, it will be the speed of the moving body relative to the observer. Yes, take care. This sentence, it has an observer. Observer here, it means, yes, darling, relative speed. I like it. It's an easy question and the important one. Another one, he said that the force of attraction between the masses of the two objects directly proportional with the amount of their masses and inversely with the square distance. Yes, I know this law about universal gravitational law or law of universal gravitational. Don't forget it. This is happened by Newton. Do you remember that? Yes, I'm sure you understand this and remember it. Another one, he said that a type of asexual reproduction occurs in the yeast fungus and sponge. Do you think what this means? Yes, asexual reproduction for the yeast will fly to budding. Asexual reproduction by budding. It's great. Another one? Yes, with me for this question. He said the phase of mitotic division in which the nucleus disappear. Do you think why the nucleus disappear here? Yes, this has happened in prophase. You know prophase? It's easy to say prophase, disappearance of nucleus for the mitotic division. Another one, it's great to say the optical piece which is thick at the tip and thin at the middle and diverges the light rays falling on it. Oh, you want to catch it? Yes, catch this word, diverge. So, this means a lens, concave lens. It's great to catch a concave lens and very important, concave lens, diverge rays. We know it well. Another one, asexual reproduction by using vegetative organs except seeds. Yes, we know it and we understand it. This means vegetative reproduction. Don't forget, except seeds. Good, my dear. Another one. Look at this question. This is talk about the point of connection of two chromatids together. Two chromatids are joined together by, yes, centromere. We know centromere joined between them, both of them in the biggest structure, chromosome. You remember? The other question? The sun and the 8 planets revolving around. I know a lot of students know it. It's our solar system. Because the solar system We live in the earth, and the earth is one from its planet. Catch it, my lover, and fly to this lovely question. This question say, the center of the sphere that the mirror is considered apart. Good. Center of the sphere. We know it. It's a center of curvature. Don't forget. Center of curvature, the center of the sphere of the mirror. Another question. This question, cellular division, which leads to formation of gametes. Gametes. What this mean, do you think? Gametes, it means sexual. What about cell division here? Meiotic division, because it occurs in cellular for the gamete. Wonderful and great. My dear students, concentrate and be careful. You must be sure what about the figures, what about the problems. Don't forget to make a revision well about the comparison. Be sure that. Yes, group of different problems. My dear, problems, very important. Don't forget to read the problem well. Let's see the first one. Car moves 600 meters in half minute. Calculate the speed. How can you find the speed for this case? Yes, the first, get your given. My given for this case, it's about distance 600 meters, time half minute, but we don't work by this half minute. You must change it into second, 30 seconds. After that, don't forget to write the law. The law for this case say V equal D over T. V equal 600 divided, good, 30, not half, because we changed minute to second. Now the result will be 20 watt meter per second. Write the law, find the answer, don't forget the unit, and don't forget to change minute to second. Wonderful, my lover. For the other question, yes, a person covered 30 meters northward within 30 seconds. Then 60 meters eastward within 20 seconds. And then 30 meters southward within 10 seconds. As shown in this figure. Yes, let's see the figure. The figure, the first, will draw A toward the north in 30 to 10 seconds. Another one for B to point C. This it has 60 meters in 20 seconds. Another one C to D, 30 meters in 10 seconds, and return for 10 seconds. Don't forget the four direction, north, south, west, and east. This is important. Now, distance equal 30 plus 60 plus 30. Total will be 120 meters. This is because we have a direction AB, BC, CD. This is only? Sure not. And return back to A. Do you know what this means? This means a displacement. Displacement for this case equal 60 meters. Don't forget, each two sides are parallel in this rectangle. It means equal. So 60 meters as BC. BC equal AD. Another one, the figure again. Yes, A to P, from P to C, from C to D, and return back. And all time I say, don't forget the direction. North, south, east, and west. Wonderful. My dear, I need here to catch speed. Can I find it? Sure. Speed equal total distance over total time. Don't forget the law. Total distance we studied before, 30 plus 60 plus 30. Total time, 30 plus 20 plus 10. The result will be 2. Don't forget to write 2 meters per second. It's wonderful to say that. This is about speed. What about velocity? Velocity, it's very easy. The same figure, A, B, C to D, are returned back again. And I don't forget the direction. All time I say take care from this problem. Velocity equal displacement over total time. 60, yes, divide 30 plus 20 plus 10 plus 10. Yes.